Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about upgrading your travel setup with a jewelry case that's actually organized, reliable, and easy to pack, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best travel jewelry cases, chosen for their capacity, protection, portability, and overall value. We've looked at everything from slim rolls to hard-shell velvet boxes. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started. The Teamoy Double Layer Jewelry Organizer is for anyone who travels heavy and hates untangling knots. It's a quilted nylon case that focuses on utility over flash. We're looking at a dual-layer design that keeps everything separated. The top layer has 4 snaps and an elastic pocket for necklaces, plus a detachable earring panel and ring holders. It's built to handle bulkier items too. The bottom layer features adjustable dividers, which is great if you're packing chunky watches or bracelets that don't fit in standard slots. The benefit here is pure volume. At roughly 9 inches wide, it's larger than a palm-sized box, but stays slim enough to slide into a carry-on. The 2-way metal zippers feel sturdy, and the handle makes it easy to grab from a suitcase. It's a smart pick for long vacations where you need options. While it's soft-sided, the padding is thick enough to protect your gear from scratches. Some users note that very thin necklaces can still shift, but it's still much better than a Ziploc bag. If you want a no-nonsense bag, this is it.
Next up is the Parima Travel Jewelry Box. This one is significantly more compact and leans into the personalized gift angle. It's a square, PU leather case that feels surprisingly premium for the price. The standout feature is the custom initial on the lid, making it easy to identify. Inside, it packs a lot into a tiny footprint. We've got 7 ring rolls, 3 necklace hooks, and an elastic pouch. It even manages to fit a small mirror and a hidden earring compartment behind it. The build is solid. The velvet lining is soft, so your jewelry won't get scratched during a bumpy flight. It's waterproof on the outside, which is a nice touch if you're keeping it on a hotel bathroom counter. The dividers are removable, giving you some flexibility if you have a larger bangle or a lipstick to toss in. It's a budget-friendly choice that's perfect for weekend trips or as a bridesmaid gift. It's simple, looks sharp, and fits in the palm of your hand. If you're a minimalist traveler, this case makes a lot of sense.
The Benevolence LA Travel Jewelry Box is probably the most famous one on this list, having been featured on major gift guides. It's a plush velvet square that feels genuinely luxurious. The gold-tone zipper is a nice aesthetic touch, but the real value is in the construction. It's sturdy and holds its shape, protecting your jewelry from being crushed. Inside, you'll find 7 ring slots, 3 divisions for smaller items, and a built-in mirror. There's also a secret compartment behind the mirror for earrings or necklaces. This thing is a beast when it comes to durability. It's small enough to fit in a purse, but feels high-end enough to sit on a vanity. The velvet is thick and looks expensive. One thing we love is that the company donates a portion of every sale to charity, so it's a purchase that feels good. It's the perfect size for a week-long trip. Just keep in mind that velvet can show wear with heavy use. If you want something that looks as good as the jewelry, this is the pick.
The BELALIFE Travel Jewelry Case is basically a wallet for your jewelry. If you're trying to save every inch of space in your luggage, this foldable roll is the way to go. It's made of soft polyester and uses a magnetic closure to keep everything flat. When it's unfolded, everything is visible at once. You get multiple zippered pockets, a dedicated ring bar, and a panel for earrings. The necklace section is particularly well thought out, with straps to keep chains from sliding around and getting knotted. It's incredibly lightweight. Because it's a soft roll, it doesn't have the bulk of a hard box. You can tuck this into the side pocket of a backpack or between layers of clothes. The clear windows on the internal pockets are a massive win. You can see exactly what's inside without digging around. It's a practical, high-value option for the traveler who prioritizes portability. It won't protect against heavy crushing like a hard shell, but for organized, slim storage, it's hard to beat. It's efficient, light, and very easy to live with.
Finally, we have the AVERASTA Luxury Travel Jewelry Case. This is another velvet option, but it focuses on a very clean, modern aesthetic with high-end craftsmanship. It's a 4-inch square, making it slightly larger than some competitors, which allows for better organization of slightly bigger pieces. It uses a double zipper system that feels very secure and smooth. Inside, the layout is classic. Ring rolls, necklace hooks with an elastic pocket, and removable dividers. The mirror is clear and actually usable for putting on earrings. The royal burgundy and emerald green colors look incredible and give it a very sophisticated vibe. The reinforced stitching means it's going to last through years of travel. It's scratch-resistant and keeps its plush look even after being shoved into a suitcase. The benefit here is the balance between size and protection. It's not too big, but it's sturdy enough to handle rough transit. For anyone looking for a gift that looks like it cost way more than it did, this is a top-tier choice. It's elegant, tough, and keeps your accessories perfectly organized. And that wraps up the top 5 best travel jewelry cases. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype-Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest gear reviews. We've put the links to all these organizers in the description to make it easy for you. Having the right travel case saves a lot of time and stress. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.